In this video, we'll explore a powerful collaboration feature, the Grant Edit Access function. This function allows you to control which users can edit specific fields during the capital acquisition request, CapEx process. This ensures efficient teamwork and maintains data integrity. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently manage editing permissions within your system. Let's get started. To begin, log in as a super user. This level of access is required to manage user permissions. Once you're logged in, navigate to the User Management section. Here, you'll see options to manage users, roles, and profiles. While we'll focus on a specific user in this example, the process is the same for roles and profiles, giving you flexibility in how you manage permissions. For this demonstration, let's select the user Marty Fisher. Next, we need to locate the Grant Edit Access settings. Scroll down to the Capital Acquisition Request group of fields. Within this group, you'll find a list of fields, usually sorted alphabetically. Look for Grant Edit Access. By default, this setting is disabled, meaning Marty currently has no special editing rights for CapEx requests. To grant Marty editing permissions, enable the Grant Edit Access feature. Once enabled, you'll see several configuration options. The first option allows you to specify which CapEx request stages Marty can edit. If your system doesn't use stages, this option won't apply. You can select specific stages or choose all stages to grant access across the entire CapEx process. Now, let's define which fields Marty can edit. Click on Apply to. A list of available fields will appear. For example, let's allow Marty to edit the Reason for CapEx and Benefits fields. It's important to note that you must configure access for each field individually. Below the standard fields, you'll find custom fields. These are fields that have been specifically created for your organization and can also be configured for edit access. In addition to individual fields, you can also grant access to entire pages within the CapEx request, such as cost breakdown, disbursement timeline, project timeline, approvals, attachments, and financial details. Granting access to a page gives the user permission to edit all fields on that page, including custom fields. The next two checkboxes, Status button for approval and Status button for reapproval, control whether the granted edit access applies during the CapEx request's approval and reapproval processes. Check these boxes if you want the user to be able to edit the fields during these phases as well. You can leave them unchecked if the edit access should only apply during the initial request creation or modification. The final, and perhaps most crucial setting is the exclusive or non-exclusive option. Exclusive access means that only the selected user, Marty in this case, can edit the field. The original creator of the CapEx request and any other user, including super users, will be prevented from editing that field. Use this option when a field requires specialized knowledge or strict control. Non-exclusive access, on the other hand, allows both the creator of the CapEx request and the selected user to edit the field. This facilitates collaboration, but introduces the possibility of conflicting edits. If you grant exclusive access to multiple users for the same field, all of those users will be able to edit it, but the CapEx request creator will not. The only way to allow the creator to also edit the field is to choose non-exclusive. Once you've configured the field access and selected the exclusivity level, click Save. The system will then display a list of all the fields and pages that Marty can now edit. Each row in this list represents a specific field or page, and if your system uses stages, you'll see entries for each stage. This provides a clear overview of the granted permissions. This concludes our walkthrough of the Grant Edit Access function. By using this feature, you can effectively manage CapEx request editing permissions, promote collaboration, and maintain data accuracy. If you have any further questions, please consult our documentation or support resources. Thanks for watching.